Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Redarc Tow-Pro Trail proportional brake controller with custom wiring harness. Now this has been designed to fit your 2021 and newer Ford Bronco, and on custom fit parts such as this brake controller, I do recommend taking advantage of our vehicle fit guide here at eTrailer.com. Input the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and our fit guide will confirm if this will work for you or if we have something comparable that will work for you. Now this brake controller will require minimal dash space on your vehicle, and it's going to be very simple to install and operate. It has a factory look and feel, looking like it always belonged in your dash, because this is going to be behind something. You're not going to see this, and the only visible part of this whole system is going to be this knob. This does feature a user control mode that's going to give you direct control of your braking, activating your trailer brakes independent of your tow vehicle's brakes. So this is going to be great for off-roading or towing in adverse weather or off-road, rough terrain rather. Now this control knob is going to mount on your dash or in your dash or any other easily accessible area, maybe like your middle console, something like that, wherever you've got a good place to put this. And it's going to allow for quick and easy adjustment of the braking power with just the turn of the dial. And it's also going to provide manual override by just pressing the knob to activate. Now this is going to also offer simple diagnostics with bright colored LED. So when this is plugged in, it's going to light up. If you have a lighter trailer, you can dial down to a lower braking power. And when you hit 0, that means no braking. And if you have a heavier trailer, you might want to increase the braking power. And again, to operate the manual brakes, you operate the brakes manually, you'll just push the knob. So this cable will plug into the back of the knob, and then the other end will plug into the brake controller. And then the main unit, as I said, is going to install out of sight. There's not going to be any more hitting your knee when you get into your vehicle. No bulky controller that's visible underneath your steering wheel. No interference with airbags or other vehicle accessories. And of course, no hard to reach lever or impossible to read screen. This can be mounted in any position, direction, and angle with the included mounting kit that you see here. No complicated wiring. The custom fit harness that you see here is going to let you plug in and go right into your Bronco. And if you don't already have a 7-way at the back of your vehicle, take a look at our exclusive 7- and 4-way brake controller installation kit. It's known as the ET-BC7. That is sold separately from this, but if you pop in ET-BC7 in the search field of our website, that will take you to that kit if you're in need of it. This is going to meet or exceed both UNECE R21 and the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 201 regulations for sustainability and safety. This brake controller is for trailers with up to 3 axles and 6 brake assemblies. It's designed for use with electric or electric over hydraulic trailer brakes, and it does work with 12-volt and 24-volt vehicle electrical systems. And just to give you some measurements here of the unit itself, looking at the overall length, we're sitting pretty close to 4 inches. The width, about 3 3/8 inches. And the height, about 1 1/8 inches. So that gives you an idea of the size of the unit. This does include everything that you see here. In case you don't know, this is to insert into a blank in your console. You can just pop this in with the knob. And again, it's really going to look good after the installation is complete. It's going to look like it's always belonged there. You're going to get instruction guides as well to walk you through the operation and the installation. But I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our brief time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.